Hi everybody, and welcome back to mistake number 15. Remember, this is part of a 17 video series which describes all the mistakes that people make. Make sure you don't do this one. Let's see whether you do this one, okay? This one is mistake number 15, which is revenge trading. Sounds pretty good, right? What is revenge trading? Well, before we get to the video, please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button. This is so important, especially in this series, because of course, this is just mistake number 15, and there are 16 other mistakes that you will want to know about to make sure you don't make those mistakes. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's get on with the video. Okay, so what is this revenge trading? Now, bear in mind that you cannot win all trades, and that losses are part of trading. This is what most people get wrong. Not losses overall, but that you will have some losses. So you should approach losses as you would expenses in a business. You will have them. Losing streaks are inevitable. It's a reality of trading. And you are going to make maybe 5, 6, or 7 losses in a row, maybe even more, and it doesn't mean your strategy doesn't work. It just means you have a streak of losses. And the huge mistake that beginner traders make is that they allow their feelings to drive their decisions. They're going to try and make up for their losses. They start to think that they can do so with one winning trade. The biggest mistake that they can make then is that they think that after, let's say, 5 losing trades, the odds of having a winner are much higher. They're not. They're still 50-50. Therefore, they decide to dramatically increase their risk per trade on that same stock to get their own back and have their final feeling of revenge. Sometimes they do it with the same stock as well. That's real, pure revenge trading. They hope that one winning trade will make up for all the losses. And what usually happens is that that one trade will turn into another loss because it's still 50-50. And because they risk too much, they will lose a big chunk of their trading account on top of all the other losses. And this is usually the last nail in the coffin, and then they convince themselves that trading isn't for them and you can't make money in trading. The solution to prevent you from falling into the trap of revenge trading is to be aware that you will have winning and losing streaks no matter what. One of our graduates had 22 losses in a row. Most people wouldn't survive that, but he did. And even if you are using the trading strategy that gives you 90% winning trades and only 10% losing ones, like for example the martingale system, you will at some point make at least 5 losses in a row. Remember that if you lose 50% of your account, you will have to make 100% profit to get to break even. Most people don't know this, or they forget this, okay? If let's say you are, this is just maths, right? At $20 and you go down to $10, how much have you lost percentage-wise? It's half, right? So this is minus 50%. However, to get back from 10 to 20 is double your money. So when it goes that way, it's actually plus 100%. It's just maths. And it's actually great in trading, especially when you're down and you get in at a lower point, especially with our value cost averaging strategy. So remember, you'll have to make 100% profit just to break even. Therefore, never, and I mean never, write this down, risk more than 1% of your entire account per trade. No matter what you're feeling, no matter what the emotion is, again, always have a plan and follow the plan. I hope you learned something here on mistake number 15, which is revenge trading. Have you ever done it? Have you ever felt like doing it? Just comment below, not only whether you've done it, or whether you felt like doing it, and if you have done it, what were the results? I would be really intrigued to know. Exactly, did you make a profit? Did you make a loss? Just comment below. Remember also to hit that subscribe button. Why is it so important to hit the subscribe button here? It's because this is only mistake number 15. There are 16 other mistakes that beginner, even intermediate traders and investors make, and you will want to know what they are because they cost you money. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Very important indeed, so we can send those to you. And by the way, if you learned anything or you enjoyed the video, please do just hit that like button. I'd be very grateful indeed. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video.